299 pesos engagement ring pag-usapan natin. First of all, hindi nila kilala ang isa't isa. Kasi obvious naman si ate girl, hindi magre-react sa social media if talagang kilala niya yung partner niya na very practical. At si kuya naman, hindi niya alam yung love language ng partner niya, which is gifts. So, first of all, before entering a relationship or committing to a long-term relationship, kailangan alam mo yung love language ng partner mo kung gusto mo talaga tumagal. Kasi for example, let's say si kuya ay acts of service, si ate girl naman ay gifts. So, syempre kung gifts ka, syempre meron ka, for example, standard talaga na nakukuha. Pero kung si kuya naman yung acts of service, kahit mo rin ibigay sa kanya, siguro ganun yung attitude na it's the thought that counts. So, okay lang din yun. Sometimes, we have different priorities. So, some other people, they have a higher standard, mataas yung tingin sa sarili nila. So, they want something that they really deserve. So, for example, giving them expensive gifts, it's a way of saying to them that you really love them. Kasi yung value nila minsan naka-tie up dun sa binibigay mo sa kanila. So, may mga ganong tao. Normal po yun. Meron din naman mga tao na very practical na pag binigyan mo naman sila ng for example, ako personally, pag binigyan mo ko ng 299 pesos engagement ring, ma-appreciate ko yan kasi nag-effort ka. Pero kung binigyan mo naman ako ng mahal, although acts of service na yung love language ko, yung presyo, syempre pagkugulat ako. Pero ang pinaka ma-appreciate ko yung nag-save ka ng pera, naghanap ka ng ring, nag-research ka ng brand, tapos talagang pinag-ipunan mo at binili mo yung ring kahit na out of your budget. So yun yung ma-appreciate no acts of service. So the moral of the issue is, number one, alamin mo, kilalanin mo yung partner mo. Para hindi na nagpo-post sa social media. But for me, this is a good conversation starter because it's not a matter of mahal or mura, kung sino ang tama or mali, or sino ba yung makababae ka ba or makalalaki. It's not about that. But in this issue, nagkakaroon tayo ng good judgment. As a person, mas lumalawak yung ating kaisipan at yun ang pinaka-importante. Kaya next time, guys, do your research sa partner mo para hindi nagpo-post sa social media. Yun lang.